Love and being loved are the two key elements that everyone needs when they start any romantic relationship. You know what? Love is somehow like doing business. You need to spend time getting to know your partner, finding out their love languages, and then investing what you've got properly. In this video clip, I will briefly share the 5 love languages with all of you. Every one of us will feel loved in a very different way. It doesn't mean that the way you did to your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend will work with the current ones, because they share different love languages. There are 5 love languages, including word, affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, acts of service, and physical touch. If your partner's love language is word affirmation, he or she needs to be encouraged and appreciated with motivating words through comments, compliments, unexpected notes, text messages, or cards. If your partner's love language is physical touch, he or she expects hugs, kisses, and cuddling more often when there are two of you or even in public. If your partner's love language is receiving gifts, he or she wants to see how grateful you are when receiving gifts from him or her, or your gifts must reflect how thoughtful you are. If your partner's love language is quality time, you are supposed to know that one-on-one time is very important. Please create special moments for two, take walks, or do small things together. And if your partner's love language is acts of service, he or she will be on cloud 9 when having breakfast or dinner prepared by you, or you can give him or her a hand doing chores. Keep in mind that love cannot remember itself. It has no meaning. Love has to be put into action, and that action is service. Take action right now. Let's start with something super simple like daily compliments, a cup of coffee made by you, a heart-to-heart talk, some flowers for a special occasion, or just a warm hug. It's time to change. If you don't want your romantic things to be over soon, please take it into your consideration. Everything starts with small things. And don't forget that if you can afford the price of love, your love will never be over.